Hello friends, now here we are in the admin area. I'm going to add two links here to go to the roles page when we can display the table with all the roles we have, and also the same thing for the permissions. And because we need to create more roles, more permissions, and here is how we can create roles, role create, and also the same thing for permissions. And how we can assign permissions to the role, and the same thing for the permission sync roles. Okay, so let's for that we need to create, first I'm going to create the controller. So let's open this and artisan, make controller, permission controller, and also the roles controller. Okay, after that go to the web routes, and I think I'm going to, in here now we are in the admin. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this here and say middleware role admin. Name is going to be admin dot. Also I'm going to give it the prefix, which is going to be admin. And now I'm going to say group and create a closure here. And here now we need to add the default admin, and I think we have the controller admin. Yeah, we have this index controller which return the admin index. So let's say here route and get slash, because we have the admin here, so just admin, and the controller is going to be index controller. Import that index controller class, and the method is index. We need to give a name, which is going to be just the index, because we have the prefix admin, so admin dot index. We have the name admin here, so it's going to be admin dot index. Okay, next one I'm going to add the route, and it's going to be resource now, resource for the roles. And here we need to add the controller, which is role controller class, and the same thing for the permissions. So here say permissions, and the controller also is going to be permission controller. And make sure you import that. So permission controller, role controller, and index controller. Okay, hit save. Now we need to go inside the resources, views, layouts, and admin blade. Now here we have the links, and I'm going to change this one to be roles, and the second to be permissions. The anchor tag now is going to be route, and route is admin roles index. Okay, the second one is the permission, add the route first, and permissions index. Hit save, go to the browser and refresh, and here we have the roles and permission. And right now we don't have that the controller, but here is the links. So let's go and create the controllers, the methods for controllers, sorry. Save this and close and open the roles controller and create the first method, which is going to be index. And here I'm going to return the view, which is not here right now. So admin roles dot index. Okay, and also open the permission controller and do the same thing. In here, create a function, name it index, and return the view admin permissions dot index. Save. Now open the resources admin, and here create a new folder for roles, and here new file index.blade.php. Also a new folder for permissions and new file here index.blade.php. Okay, come here and select all, copy, so in the index inside the admin, and paste it in the index of the roles. Here I'm going to say admin role, save, and here the same thing, but just say admin permission. Save, come here and refresh, and now if I go to the roles, we have admin role here and permission. We have an error here in the permission controller. We need to add a semicolon. Refresh, and we have the admin permission. Okay, friends, that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to add the table and display all the roles we have and also all the permissions. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe to my channel. All the best, friends.